The Additel Land software comes out of Asia, and Microsoft, for whatever reason, sometimes blocks files out of Asia that they feel may be unsafe. It certainly is a safe program, but if you were installing Additel Land, if you follow my suggestions here, it will help tremendously, I'm sure. So if you go to Additel.com, if you go to additel.com, go to products, go to services, downloads, and download land, it will download a zip folder in the normal place. So let's go. I'll close that. Let's go to our downloads folder. I'm working in a sandbox in a virtual machine, so it's a little slow. If I go to downloads, now what one would normally do would be to right click or select extract all. We're not going to do that. We're going to right click on it. We're going to go to properties, and down here at the bottom, unblock. This file came from another computer and might be blocked to help protect this computer. So it's like a UAC again. So just click unblock and apply. Okay. And now you extract as normal. And that will extract as normal. I'm not going to install the program because running within the virtual machine, it's very, very slow indeed. But just by simply unblocking that, it's just another UAC feature that Windows in their infinite wisdom have set up for you. There are two choices for installing the software. You either can use a MSI, a Microsoft Installer package, or you can use the setup. Either works just fine. I would suggest using the MSI where you have a choice. Alright, thanks a lot for watching.